Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. We're here in freezing Taipei today. We're gonna see if we can do something indoors today because it's super cold. And yes, as we mentioned that, we're walking past these ads here for travel. Japan, Philippines. How nice would that be? Look at this. Philippines, Bohol, chocolate mountains, tarsiers, 30 degrees. Beaches. How nice would it be if we were there right now?
It would be so good.
So we're here in the Philippines this week. We're on an island called Bohol right now, and we're just gonna have a well-deserved vacation from the rain in Taiwan. Being by the beach until, I don't know, the sun sets, starting to rain. Just kidding, it's not gonna start to rain here. And it's raining. Well, this gives me some time to get some work done, and I just finished uploading all my videos up to iQIYI. So if you're watching from Taiwan or China, you can now see all my videos on iQIYI as well. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, don't worry, all my videos will still be available on YouTube as well. We're just gonna wait here for it to stop raining and then head back to the beach. We are gonna show you the best things to do here on Bohol Island in the Philippines, and it's gonna be a great time. ATV riding, Bohol, Philippines. %30 risk for rain, 100% risk for mud, but we're ready. Compared to the beach we were just at, but equally. In fact, the brand behind the bag I'm using now claims that their bag is weather resistant. They don't mention anything about mud. So I guess we'll find out. Survive the ATVs, you can go up here to the viewing spot and you get to see the amazing view of the chocolate hills.
a bag of food and I can't even get it to open to eat it.
A bag of food, you say? What is the food?
It's the original. It's super warm. Chicken warm. Big one.
You have a small one.
I went to night market with Wes, so I feel like eating worms is not a problem anymore. Francois, don't you eat like snails in France?
No, not myself. But your people. My people do. Oh, this one is.
You got 100 ones?
Oh.
So we're gonna check out a tarsier research center, but these are primates which are active at night, which means that they sleep during the day. So we have to be really quiet, but we're still gonna go in and check it out. Some of us thought that the ATV was dangerous enough, but now we're on a hanging bridge, which is made out of bamboo. Not super safe, but exciting. Francois, what happened?
My foot got stuck under two pieces of bamboo and I could not remove my foot. I felt like a small animal taken in a trap. Yeah, I didn't cry though.
The worst thing is, so we ziplined this whole way 520 meters. The worst part is we have to get back, so we have to do it one more time. Maybe one day.